Okay, well, here's the machine. I said I'll show you how it works. Well, I can show you how it works, but I mean, because I don't know how it works. But got everything in here, so got microphone. I'm not sure if, yeah, I probably can see. Sorry, microphone, just say microphone, it's a microscope. Yeah, can see through. So there's like those things. Now it's powered up. What? Okay, let me power it down. Okay, so there was a click or whatever. Now I'm gonna power it up. Yeah, so it responds to the power up. Actually, I touched the needle and it is pretty hot. Yeah, okay. When you press feed, it does something. You press loop, I was doing something. Yeah, now. Okay. So press green. I mean, I don't know what it is. This was doing something, but I guess get into the mode where it's not doing anything. So here's temperature control. This lever seems to be kind of weird. I don't know, I mean, it's the way it's supposed to be, but it's kind of like laying down, so you have to bring it up, so otherwise it's kind of like, I don't know, feels loose, but I don't know. So we can open up the machine, so we can see everything there. Now let's press something. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, I don't know, whatever it is. There's a little bit of gold thread still left on it, so okay. Now, yeah, the camera is I think it's stereo, 3D Leica. Yeah, it's a stereo zoom. Here are the lenses from the bottom. Gonna close it down. Now here's on the back, so we have some, I think it's a vacuum intake system. So this thing says here, whatever it is, Skinner. There's a control valve. Here's the, I don't know, back switch. I'm sure what you see there. So, and oh, and here are the unit and model number. What else? Oh, and yeah, thing is, I found those two parts when it came in. So this one, I don't know what the hell it is. It doesn't seem to fit anywhere, but probably you know. So, and the spring, I'm assuming spring came from the thread up here. Yeah, that thing. But I may be wrong. So, well, that's what it is. That's what you get. Oh, and yeah, there is a pedal. You can press on it. So, yeah, that's about it. Okay, good luck.